Notion lets teams and individuals build their own digital workspace using intuitive, modular blocks. In this video, we'll learn how to transform a cluttered to-do list into a streamlined, high-performance project management system. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create and organize your accounts, navigate Notion's interface, use basic blocks and the / command, build your first database from scratch, master different views, and supercharge your workflow with Notion AI. Let's dive right in. Chapter 1. Sign up and initial onboarding. Click the link in the description to sign up for an account. You can create a Notion account using your Google account, Apple ID, Microsoft account, passkey, or email address. Going the Google route is the easiest. When you first land in Notion, you'll be on this page called Welcome to Notion. We'll go ahead and leave this page. Click Home in the upper left corner. It is the central hub for all your work, where you can see recently visited pages, upcoming tasks, events, and learning resources. Pro tip: I recommend making the home page the page that appears when you boot up Notion. Click the 3 dots in the upper right corner, select Change Default Start Page, and click Home. Before we tour the interface, let's have a quick conversation about Notion's 4 subscription tiers: Free, Plus, Business, and Enterprise, as well as Notion's organizational hierarchy. Free for life. This is perfect for individuals to create basic pages and sites. You also get access to a free trial of Notion AI, but file uploads are capped at 5 megabytes. Plus, for $10 per month per member. Plus allows you to build custom forms and sites, set up basic integrations, and upload files of any size. It also allows you to add guests or external non-paying users, like clients, to view specific pages. Business for $20 a month per member. This tier includes Notion AI agents, meeting notes, granular database permissions, private Teamspaces, domain verification, and more. While Plus works for very small businesses, serious organizations should start at the business tier. There's also the enterprise tier for large organizations, but we're not really going to talk about it here. Few businesses truly need an enterprise subscription. For this short tutorial, the free plan is more than enough. The organizational hierarchy consists of 4 tiers: Workspaces, Teamspaces, Pages, and Subpages. I'll quickly explain what each does. Workspace: the top-level container that houses every account, member, and piece of data you own. To access your workspace and change its names or settings, click your name or business name in the upper left corner. Teamspaces: these are dedicated departmental workspaces that group people and content by specific functions, such as marketing, HR, or engineering. Think of these like folders. Pages: the individual canvases where the actual work happens, serving as the versatile home for your text, images, and databases. Within Pages can exist an unlimited number of subpages. These are simply pages nested inside other pages. All right, let's take a tour of the interface. Chapter 2. Navigating the interface. The sidebar on the left is like your Workspace's table of contents. We'll start in the upper left corner of the screen and work our way down. First up is the search. Clicking on this opens a pop-up menu where you can search for anything in your workspace. In the future, use the shortcuts Ctrl+K or Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+K on Mac to pull up the search bar instantly. Meetings: dynamic pages that can be linked directly to your calendar, allowing you to house agendas, real-time collaborative notes, and automated action items all in one place. Notion AI: a dedicated space for chatting with your workspace virtual assistants. Inbox: a centralized hub for managing team notifications, mentions, and direct replies across all your collaborative projects. Library: the centralized knowledge base where you can store and categorize permanent resources like company handbooks, brand assets, and standard operating procedures for easy team reference. It can be used by Notion's AI to easily and quickly find information too. Recents, where you can see the last 3 pages you visited. Agents: your custom AI-powered teammates that you can build and train to automate repetitive tasks, draft complex documents, or answer specific questions based on your unique workspace data. Private: a section for your eyes only. Keeping a habit tracker or journal here is a good idea. Teamspaces, where share departmental pages live. Skipping over Notion apps to Settings, the control panel where you can customize your personal profile, manage member permissions, and adjust workspace-wide configurations. Marketplace, a library of community-made templates and professional consulting services designed to help you jumpstart your workspace setup. Lastly, there is Trash, a safety net where deleted pages are stored for up to 30 days, allowing you to recover any work accidentally removed. To keep things clean, hover over any of the default Getting Started pages in the sidebar. Then click the three dots and select Move to Trash. Then open the trash and permanently delete the page. Now we've got a clean slate. Click Add New under your Teamspace and select Empty Page. Give this page a title, Project Command Center. You know your way around Notion's interface and you've created your first page. Let's see how to customize it and make it your own. Chapter 3. Blocks. Blocks are the fundamental, building blocks of Notion. From a single line of text or a checkbox to a full image or an embedded video that you can instantly create, drag and drop to build your custom layouts. To start turning this page into a structured workspace, we'll use the / command. Make sure your cursor is directly under the title and hit / on your keyboard. This opens a menu of all the tools available to you. Select Heading 1. We'll name this Active Projects. Beneath that, type /to-do to create a to-do list where you can easily start adding in current projects. For example, I'll name the first one Notion Tutorial 10 minutes. Go to the next line and create the second as Descript full-length tutorial. Before we move on to databases, here's a pro tip. Every block has a 6-dot handle to its left. Click and drag this to move blocks. Blocks can be nested within one another, rearranged, or moved side by side to create columns. This is a secret to making Notion look like a professional dashboard. All right, now it's time to build your first database. Chapter 4. Databases. Databases are the heart and soul of any workspace. They are super-powered spreadsheets where every row also has its own page. Let's see how that works. Keep the Project Command Center page open and place your cursor underneath the to-do lists. Type /db for database and select Database Inline. Select Tasks Tracker under Suggested. Keep the default settings, hit Get Started, then click Done. Databases work like tables or spreadsheets you'll use in Docs or Excel. Columns contain headers, called properties, that describe the data stored in each row. As you can see, this template database has 8 different properties. Databases are as modular as blocks. Individual rows and columns can be rearranged by dragging and dropping. Editing them, however, is slightly more complex. For starters, here's how you delete one. I'll select Task Type, click Delete Property, and confirm. That's straightforward. What if I want to edit an existing property? I'll edit Status. I'll select it and open Edit Property. Next, go to In Progress. I'll hit the plus icon. I'll call this new option Revision and hit Enter to create it. Now I'll select it and change its color from blue to purple. There are also different types of properties. What does that mean? Well, effort level and task name, for example, are select and text properties. Before moving on, one last thing. I'll hover over Publish Release Notes and click Open. That opens the Publish Release Notes page, which can be built and customized on its own. For now, I'll close this view. Now, let's talk about the different ways you can view this database, because while it's easy enough with only 3 entries, it'll be incredibly difficult with 100. Here's how it works. Chapter 5. Mastering Views. With Notion, you can view the same data in different ways. Next to New, click the 2 vertical sliders icon called Settings. Select Layout and choose Board. This instantly transforms your list into a Kanban-style board. Now, instead of selecting each task and manually changing its status, all you have to do is drag and drop it, like this. Open Settings and go back to Layout. As you can see, there are 10 different views, and switching between these views allows you to visualize your team's data and workflow in different ways. Before we wrap up today's video, let's take a look at Notion's built-in intelligence features. Chapter 6. Notion AI and automation. What sets Notion's AI apart is that it isn't just a chatbot, it's fully integrated into your pages. For example, click on the Notion AI icon in the bottom right corner of the Project Command Center page. At the top of the chat box, you will see that the AI is only pulling data from this page. That means your answers will be precise. I'll ask it to summarize this page. It quickly tells me what's going on, and I can ask for more details. This time, I'll ask, what's the status with the tasks in the inline database? There you have it. I got a more accurate answer. Now, there's far more than you can do with Notion, but that's all we have time for in today's short video. Remember to click the link in the description to sign up for Notion and explore their latest features completely for free. If you decide to upgrade, that same link will give you an exclusive discount. Let me know in the comments whether you're using Notion for work or to better organize your personal life. I've got some tips for either. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.